I'm gonna show you how to get uBlock origin back on Chrome. Also fix manifest version 2. So to get started, you have to go to Chrome and type nano flags and then search manifest, and then from down there you just have to go to allow legacy extension manifest versions and then click on enable, and then from that you just have to relaunch your Chrome. After you relaunch it, you have to go to Chrome extensions, then enable developer mode, and then from there just have to go to add another extension, then go to uBlock origin, go to any search bar on Google, and then click on the third link right here, go to GitHub. Once you're in, you just have to go to this latest right here, scroll down, and then from there just have to click latest and then scroll down again, and you have to click on assets and go to chromium.zip. It will automatically download the unpacked latest version. So from there you just have to click on select folder, and then you have to extract the files, and there just have to press extract, and then from there just have to wait, and then once it's extracted, you just have to go back to Chrome right there. Since that's your extracted folder right now, you have to select where it is, or search this one, and then from there you just have to go to extension, then load unpack, and then from there just have to select the folder, and then just go to select folder. Then that's how to get uBlock origin back on Chrome.